Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's the Kia Sportage and how to use the emergency key. And this allows you to open the driver's door if the battery goes dead on your actual Kia Sportage or the key fob battery is dead. This key fob here has a flip out key blade. Before you worry about using the emergency key blade, if you've got a spare key fob, it's definitely worth trying to unlock the car using that, just in case the battery's gone on your original one. So on this one I cannot get access to the Kia Sportage. The unlock button is not working on the key fob, so it could be a key fob battery or the car battery is dead. Now notice you've got this small indentation underneath the driver's door handle. So pull the door handle out and keep it pulled out. Then take your key blade and push it up into that hole and then just gently twist it slightly. If you've got someone else to help you, then just get them to catch that because it will just pop off. And there is the key lock there. So you can just take your key blade, put that in and then unlock the car. Then if it is a dead battery on your car, you can get that charged up. If it's the key fob battery, then you need to replace the battery in that. Right, now let's just put this cover back on. This is a very simple process. What you need to do again is pull the car handle out so it's fully out like that. Then just push that into place, then release the car handle so it goes back in, and then it just clips into place, as easy as that. So that is your emergency key door handle on the driver's door. I'll put some other useful Kia Sportage videos around the edge of the screen. Drive safe and enjoy your Kia Sportage.